Okay, so I've been thinking about this for a while, and I notice a lot of people are new retail traders and investors. Retail meaning that you are not on Wall Street. You are a person like myself. I do have a history of financials backing. I come from a family that my dad's an investment broker, investment banker, whatever. Anyway, so I have a little bit of knowledge of this stuff, a background to it. I used to work in his office for him and stuff too. So my understanding is not brand new. In other words, I don't know as much as a professional does by any means, but I do have a deeper understanding of how stocks work, and I would like to share that with you guys because I do have some concerns and I don't like seeing my American people lose money. So I know there's a huge difference between people that are investing versus trading, and people that can be daytime traders with the $25,000 bank account balance, and noise is bothering me, and that can alter how you can trade too, how many times you can make a move during the week, etc., which we're going to get into all that, and I'm going to do separate videos for each one. That way you don't have to actually find the part in the video itself. So first off, let's talk about, I guess, the trending industries right now. Okay, so currently, if you're looking for the industries that are going to best have the best momentum and where did it go? The best momentum, etc. This is interesting. Sorry. 1 second here. Okay, here we go. Okay, so right now, CV, obviously, coronavirus 19, people that are doing testing, as well as people that are creating vaccines. And antibodies, DNA, those are some things to look for with the company that is creating the vaccine, like Novavax and Novio. I knew about those back when they were $15 and $7. So, in fact, I had a Novio at $7.50. Another thing too, you guys probably, this is a given, streaming services, obviously, biopharmaceutical and tech, that goes along with antibodies, the CV19 testing, online storage, cloud services, because there's so many people on the internet now these days. We need, like, literally, people are not even able to get on again. Like, we're seeing backup problems like we did when the internet first became a thing or whatever. It's so bothering me right now. Okay, so internet, digital, online storages, video streaming, all that stuff in the tech industry. I mean, the thing is, I notice a lot of retail investors these days are doing very, very short investments. You have to understand, this isn't a lottery ticket, but you sure turn it into one when you put your money into something and pull it right out because you're seeing it go down. Now, I do understand it going down and you not wanting to take losses. That makes sense. So if that's the case, you can always sell on a downtrend and rebuy when it starts to re-uptrend. Of course, still lower than your current PPS, price per share. So let's see here. And then obviously, yes, you take those losses, but you regain them back because you're buying at the bottom and working your way back up if you decide to stay in that stock or ticker. Same thing. Anyways, okay, so the company is aiding in CV testing vaccines, and also mention with that, companies like that are hosting like FaceTime videos for doctor's appointments. That was a big one. Now, all this stuff that I'm telling you, though, are trending trades. Trending trades. That means they go along with whatever is happening right now in our country, or in the world, I guess you say. So like EV, electric vehicles, looking for companies like Tesla. There's another one, IDEX. What's that other one? I want to say NIO, I think, NIO. Those companies are EV related. They create batteries, they create charging stations, things like that, vehicles. GM just went into a deal with, anyways, it's a good thing. And that's going to be huge for them. So got that. So the doctor video calls is another thing, kind of goes along with tech. So then now, obviously, there's lots of companies out there that can be in relation to these, and you're going to want to definitely look at these companies trending. Oh, before I go on, look at minerals as well. Minerals, so like NAK. Look at CX. Just, gold, stuff like that. But also, again, be very careful. These things are up. So, and again, with all the retail traders out there, we're seeing a huge inflation thing. And I believe that we're actually seeing a correction in some right now. But a lot of inflation. So be very careful where you position at in these tickers and these investments that you're making. But to verify if a company is going to be worth it, if it's going to be a good company to invest in, we'll make that another video. But for now, we'll call this trending trades. Those are some industries that would be good to look at, different companies and invest, trade, scalp, whatever it is that you do to make your money. Okay, see you next time.